Good morning, dear students. Myself Rashekar, PGT Chemistry, Dhruva Foundation, Badami. Today we are going to discuss flow chart of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions. Okay. Here, mainly we have to discuss. First one is chemical reactions. There are so many types are there, different types of chemical reactions are there. First one is combination reaction. Second one, decomposition reaction. Third one, displacement reaction. Again, displacement reaction we classify in single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. Next, neutralization reaction. Next, we are discussing redox reactions. In that redox reactions, we have to discuss one is oxidation reaction, second one is reduction reaction. Last, exothermic and endothermic reactions. These are the classification. Okay. Now, combination reaction. First one is combination reaction. First one. Here we have to discuss. Second one, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Third one is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Fourth one, neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Okay. Now here only we have to discuss fifth one, redox reaction. Redox reaction. In this redox reaction, again we have to discuss oxidation and reduction. Oxidation reaction here. Okay. Reduction reactions. Now we have to take here, that is exothermic and endothermic we will discuss one by one. First one, combination reaction. Combination reaction. It is a chemical reaction in which two or more substances react to form or combine to form single new substance. That is called combination reaction. One more definition: two or more reactants combined to form a new single product. That is also called combination reaction. It is a chemical reaction in which two or more reactants combined to form or react to form a single product. A single product is called combination reaction. Is called combination. Example for combination reaction. First one, burning of coal. That is, carbon reacts with oxygen, both combine to form CO2 gas. C stands for carbon, O stands for oxygen, CO2 stands for carbon dioxide. Second example, formation of water. Formation of water from H2 gas and O2 gas. H2 gas plus O2. Hydrogen gas reacts with oxygen or combine to form H2O liquid. Now we have to check oxygen. Two atoms of oxygen is there in reactant side, product side only one is there, so we have to put 2 here. It becomes 2 oxygen. Okay, now 2 2s are 4, so here only 2 is there, we have to keep here 2 2s are 4. Okay. Next, second one, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. It is also a chemical reaction in which single reactant split up into 2 or more new products. That is called decomposition reaction. Or one more definition, single substances split up into, breaks into 2 or more substances. That is also called decomposition reaction. Means it is a chemical reaction. It is a chemical reaction. It is a chemical reaction in which single reactant or substance split up into 2 or more products is called decomposition reaction. Is called decomposition reaction. Okay. Example, lead nitrate. PbNO3 twice is split up into lead oxide PbO plus nitrogen dioxide gas is liberated and oxygen gas is liberated. Okay. Here 2 Pb are there. 2. Now we have to check the balancing the equation. Now it is balanced. See here 2 Pb, 2 Pb, nitrogen, 2 2s are 4 nitrogen are there in reactant side. Here 4 nitrogen are there in product side. Similarly, oxygen you have to see product side 2 oxygen plus 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10 oxygen plus 2. Totally 12 oxygens are there in product side. Here LHS side, reactant side 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 oxygen. Now it is chemical reaction is balanced chemically. Now we have to discuss displacement reaction. It is a chemical reaction in which more reactive elements displaces to less reactive element from a compound. That is called displacement reaction. It is a chemical reaction. It is a chemical reaction in which more reactive element displaces less reactive element is called displacement reaction. Displacement is called displacement reaction. Here we should add less reactive element from a compound. Less reactive element from a compound is called displacement reaction. Okay. Example for displacement reaction. Iron reacts with copper sulfate. Iron reacts with copper sulfate. This is iron, copper sulfate reacts to form FeSO4 plus Cu. Iron sulfate, it forms a new substance, iron sulfate, copper. Now fourth one is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. It is a chemical reaction. It is a chemical reaction in which a group of atoms or group of ions from reactant side combined with peroxide means mutual understanding, mutual exchange of ions. It's a chemical reaction in which mutual exchange of ions or atoms takes place. Mutual exchange of ions or atoms takes place from reactant side to product side. That reaction we call it as double displacement reaction. Example for double displacement reaction. Sodium sulfate reacts with barium chloride. Both reacts to form sodium means barium sulfate plus NaCl. Okay, now here two atoms of sodium is there in reactant side. Here only one is there. Put two here. Now it becomes Cl2. Two atoms of chlorine. Two atoms of chlorine. Two atoms of sodium. Two atoms of sodium. One atom of sulfur. One atom of sulfur. One atom of barium. One atom of barium. So this equation is balanced. Now this is sodium sulfate, barium chloride. The product side we are getting barium sulfate, sodium chloride. Fifth one, neutralization reaction. The reaction in which acid or acidic oxide react with base or basic oxide to form salt and water. That reaction is called neutralization reaction. The reaction in which acid or acidic oxide react with base or basic oxide to form salt and water. To form salt and water, this reaction is called neutralization reaction. Sodium hydroxide NaOH plus H2SO4, we will get Na2SO4 plus H2O. Okay. NaOH reacts with H2SO4 to form Na2SO4, sodium sulfate and water. That is nothing but a salt and water. NaOH, sodium hydroxide sulfuric acid, sodium sulfate. This is water. Thank you.